I would say let's get started to activate our inner power by working on our core where the solar plexus chakra is located. And just as a side note, the color associated to the solar plexus chakra is yellow and the element is fire. So let's get some fire burning by activating our core. Woo! And we start here in cat and cow, knees underneath your hip, hands underneath your shoulder, round your back, and arch. Inhale and exhale. And then move a bit right, left, circle, just mobilize. Bring the toes on the mat and lift your knees. Just hold here, breathe. Drop the knees again, sit back into a child pose, long arms, fingers spread. And then come again on all fours, lift the knees again, just hover above the mat, hold it, breathe, smile. And from here, come up into a down dog. Bring the heels down onto the mat if possible. Tailbone reaches high. Arms are long, fingers are spread. Breathe. And then ripple forward into plank and just hold the plank. Just hold. And today we are repeating everything 3 times. So come back into down dog. Again, ripple forward into plank. Hold, breathe. Come up, down dog. Third round. With a little spice, come forward. And now, right leg goes up to your right elbow and back. Left leg, left elbow. And again. Drop the knees, sit back, bring the wrists up towards the ceiling and relax for a moment. Come forward onto your forearms, hands interlacing, and then you lift your body into a forearm plank. Hold, breathe. Come down, bring the hands next to your hip, lift the upper body and the hands. Relax. Round number 2. Come on your forearms. Lift into plank. Hold, breathe. Feel the core activation. Drop down. Hands next to your hip. Now lift the upper body and this time also lift the legs. release, relax. Last round on your forearms, lift. And this time, some dynamic movement like we did in high plank. Right leg, right elbow, left leg, left elbow. And again. Drop, lift. And relax, push yourself up and sit back. Good. No more planks for today, but some more core activation in boat pose or the easier version. So lift the legs, lift your chest and lift the arms. Hold here, or you straighten the legs. Choose what's good for you today. For me, this is the one today. And then drop, feet and hands next to the hip. Push high, feel the stretch in your shoulders. Just hold here. And release. Second round, lift. Hold, breathe. Choose your version. Drop. Hands to the hip, lift. Release. Third round. Ready? Lift. Lift the arms. Hold. Choose your level. And release. One more time. Push up. Here. Look up. Feel the stretch in arms and shoulders. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then drop down, relax to the front. Drop your head. Just stay here for a moment. So the muscular core activation is complete. Now we continue with pranayama, with breathing, core activation. And this is kapal bhati, or also known as fire breath. So take your hands to your stomach and just feel with the inhale, you expand. And with the exhale, you contract. Inhale gently and exhale, contraction, forceful. Always breathe through the nose. Yeah, feel the movement. And you can choose if you want to do this fast or slow. It's just important that the exhale happens forceful while the inhale is a gentle, soft inhale, a natural inhale. Let's do this for maybe 1 minute. You can close your eyes. keep going, almost there. And the last couple ones. And then take a deep inhale and a long exhale. For the meditation, I would like to make this even more powerful by using a hand mudra. So you will touch your fingertips and the fingers are touching, but you keep the hand palms a little bit away. And then you cross the thumbs, and it doesn't really matter what direction, which thumb is above. But keep the palms slightly away. So don't close all the way, keep it open. Yeah. And then you bring this to your lower abdomen and hold it here. If the arms get heavy in between, you can always choose to drop them down for a moment and then bring them back up. But for making this more powerful, it's important to keep it throughout the whole meditation. Okay, then close your eyes, drop your shoulders, breathe deeply in and out. And I would like you to bring your attention to the solar plexus, the area below your rib cage, above your navel. Just bring your attention there, and every inhale you take goes into that area. And with every exhale, you exhale out everything that holds you back, everything that stops you from being a powerful, motivated person. Let it go with every exhale. And with every inhale, you inhale fresh, clear energy, like the sunlight. As the color for the solar plexus is yellow, you can visualize a big yellow sun in your core. And with every inhale, that sun shines brighter and clearer, purer. And with every exhale, you let go every worry, concern, everything that stops you from being your true nature, everything that stops you from showing your full potential. You let it go with each exhale. With every inhale, you make that sun bigger and brighter in your core. Let it spread. Let it spread above and below, front and back, left and right. Make it bigger and brighter. Let it spread outside of your body. Make it like a big bubble that surrounds your whole body. with yellow bright light like sunshine. Let that yellow light bubble surround you and protect you. Doing this daily, it will protect you from other people's draining energy. Just make it a daily habit every morning. Create that light bubble around you to protect you. And every time you feel down or unmotivated, you can go back to the solar plexus meditation and reactivate your inner power. Ignite your inner power. And with this, bring your hands to the front of your heart in Pranayama. Drop your head, relax your neck. And when you feel ready, open your eyes while blinking. And come back here. Let me know below if you feel activated, if it worked. It sure did for me. Just one last tip for you. If you feel yourself surrounded by people who drain your energy, you can just sit like this, cross your arms in a relaxed way in front of your solar plexus. And that can help you to be protected also a bit. But doing this energy shield every day is also a good way. But this is just another tip. Yeah? If you feel like someone is draining your energy, just sit like this. And with this, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. And I see you tomorrow for day 14. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a good time. Namaste.